Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have 3 quick and easy home decor DIYs using some Tree Christmas decor. So I'm starting off with a deer ornament, and Dollar Tree carries 2 different types of these. I'm going to be going with the original one, and I'm going to also be using this box top, and all I did was cover it in mirror tiles, create a hole in the middle, and I also strung some string lights through that. Now I'm going to be taking my soldering iron and I'm going to be creating holes in the mouth as well as in the back of the head of the deer, and you want to make sure the hole is wide enough to string those wired lights through. I'm going to be taking the deer and I'm going to be painting it in black, and you can use any paint you want, any color, or even keep it glittered. I'm going to be stringing my lights through once my deer head is dry. I'm going to be using my hot glue just to secure down the wire to the back of the neck of the deer. Also some strong adhesive to go ahead and glue this down onto my mirrored box top. I'm going to be using hot glue on the back just to secure it even further. So now I'm going to bunch up my lights right here to create my hanging pendant. Using some more black paint, I'm just going to go ahead and cover up that wire and glue that I used earlier to secure the wire down. I've got some floral wire. This is from Dollar Tree. I've cut a piece, and I've got these acrylic gems. They are from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to be threading the largest gem first, and I'm going to be adding these smaller gems on either side of the wire. I used about 6 gems on either side. So now I'm going to be taking that and I'm going to be intertwining the wire and gems around the lights. And here's how it turned out. I just used 2 nails to hook it onto the wall, and I'm going to be using it in my coffee station in my kitchen. I also created a gold foil one. Let me know down below what are your thoughts on how these turned out. Next I have this lantern that is from Dollar Tree, and it does light up. And I'm going to be painting it black. I'm going to be adding some of this mirror ribbon from Amazon. I will have it linked down below. I'm also going to be adding some regular rhinestone ribbon, also from Amazon. I will have it linked down below as well. I did add some mirror tiles to the top of this lantern, and using my strong adhesive and hot glue, I'm going to be gluing down a hurricane vase of different sizes on top of the lanterns. And here's how they turned out. I absolutely love them. I think they're so beautiful and festive. Let me know down below what are your thoughts on how these turned out. Next I have a round mirror and a piece of foam board that I cut to the size of the mirror. I'm going to be gluing the mirror to the foam board. I'm adding some rhinestone ribbon to the edge to cover up the foam board. Now I'll be taking some crystal knobs. I'll have them listed down below, and I'm going to be gluing those to be feet for my tray. Now taking this deer, I'm going to go ahead and remove the antlers from this one. I've got some metal leaf adhesive, and I purchased this at Hobby Lobby, as well as some leaf metal. I'm going to be taking my antlers, I'm going to be adding the glue, and all you want to do is put a thin layer, allow these to get tacky, and then I'll be adding my gold foil using a soft fluffy brush. Now I'll be taking some strong adhesive and the hot glue combined together, and I'm going to be adding these antlers on either side of my mirrored tray. So here's how the antler tray turned out. I absolutely love how elegant this looks. Let me know down below what are your thoughts on how these DIYs turned out and if you'll be trying any for yourself. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I hope you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next one.